So the next question shows us a circle with diameter 80 meters with 8 points equally spread out on the circumference of the circle, and we need to find the distance that has meet walks between one point to the next. So we know since we're walking around the circle, we're looking at the circumference of the circle, which the equation for that is pi times diameter. We're already told the diameter, so all we have to do is 80 times pi. And we're asked to find the distance between one point to the next, and they're divided equally, so we can just divide that by 8. And we're going to get a distance of 31.42. So for part B, we're told that 4 of the points are moved, so now they're no longer equally spread out, and she walks around the circle again. So we've been asked to determine whether or not the mean distance between one point and the next has changed. Well, we know that the mean distance is the total distance divided by the amount of points, and neither has the number of points. We can conclude that no, the mean distance has not changed because of this reason.